channel, and today I'm playing Animal Warfare. So I got 3 people already, and we're 2, let's fight. This game's so easy. Let me just fight, get some weird stuff. Next, a monkey. Okay, so you can do that. Okay. Okay. Got a lot of weird stuff this time. Okay. What's up with this? No. Okay. Guess I'll get this monkey. If I get it. I don't know. Yeah. That's a lot, man. Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's a battle now. It's not working. It's a corner. This monkey is going too slow. I can still wonder. Okay, spin. Okay, no commercial. Okay, so the Sandy Beach. Forest. No, not that. Bamboo Beach. Guess I'll keep making these kind of videos. Okay. I'm not on one of these. Nope. Okay. This monkey's not really doing nothing. Okay. So guess no. Might do that after the video. Nope, get no more fun. Fight! This monkey just shooting rocks. $300. Yes. What? Battle. Okay, yes. There's a fighter. And I have to click one of my videos. So, sorry about that. I have to delete one of my videos, guys. That was easy. I can get an elephant. I'll call you some money. And then a monkey. What the heck? I only got 3 versus 5. And I'm winning. $2,000. What is that big old monkey? I'm so gonna lose this. Oh. That's wrong. Guess I'll go back again. I'm on the beach now. I'm in the beach. Okay, so okay. Deal. Yes. Take that. Ah, man. Okay. Okay, guys. This one I'm gonna stop the video. So